Okay, Wesley, this is the third last unit and the third last question. So we're doing Romberg's integration 4.5. It is same as Richardson's extrapolation, but with trapezoidal rule. So what this means is, this is Richardson's extrapolation. Well, this is a thing, okay, in which, remember, there was like n2 edge, and one h and one h over 2, blah blah, step sizes, and then these two help to get that, these two help to get that, these two help to get that, and stuff. It's a similar thing, okay. Instead, your n will start from 1, 2, 4, 6, stuff like that, and there's a k that is 1, 2, 3, 4, like normal, okay. And this first row here is obtained just like here. We had to use different thing for this, and then these were used for the next step. The first step here is trapezoidal rule, okay. So trapezoidal rule, and then the first will be calculated using trapezoidal rule, and the next will be calculated with this formula, which is very similar to Richardson's extrapolation formula, okay. So this is our question from 1 to 1.5 x squared x dx, okay. If we remember trapezoidal rule,
Yes, can you check something?
for a to b f of x dx. So our trapezoidal rule was that equals h over 2 f of a plus 2. I really hope she doesn't give this one on the test, because this would be miserable trying to calculate all of this. But just in case, just know how to do it. Okay, maybe she'll give us the first row. I don't know. Maybe we don't have to do the trapezoidal, maybe later. But then why give it at all if she would give this? Yeah. And then there is this error term after that you don't have to worry about. Okay. And if you remember, h was b minus a over n. And if you see here, our a, n is changing 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. So for our R11, our n is 1, right? So R11 equals, so R11, n is 1, so h will be b minus a over 1, which is just simply b minus a, which is 1.5 minus 1, which is 0.5. Cool. So 0.5 is r or h, okay, 0.5 over 2. So f of a, which is f of 1, so f of a equals f of 1 equals 1 square ln 1 equals 0. So 0 plus, okay, the big looking thing, c equals 1, so 1 minus 1, n minus 1 is 1 minus 1, f of x j. So you see 1 minus 1 is actually 0, so 1 to 0 means this whole thing goes to 0, because you can't go from 1 to 0, obviously. So basically this is just f of a plus f of b for R11. Okay, so let's see, what's f of b? F of b would be f of 1.5, which is 1.5 square ln 1.5, which is 0.912296493. Cool. So 0.912296493. So if you solve this, you will get 0.228074123. So that's my R11. Okay. Similarly for R21, whole new thing again. H equals b minus a over n, but n now is 2 over here. So this were 2, 1, which is b minus a was 0.5 over 2. These are h, which is 0.25. Okay. So h over 2, now it'll be f of a plus 2, the
What you doing,
big
dude?
thing.
Hmm?
Grab my little DS and told me to do homework and the lights were on, so I don't know what's up.
Dudes are crazy.
Huh?
Dudes are crazy.
What do you mean dudes are crazy?
Did you say you're going to play video game?
Yeah.
Why don't you just go to sleep instead?
Because I can't sleep for the light on.
Ah, okay.
Why don't you have like a shirt over your head? Put like a shirt over your head.
0.125. Okay, f of a we calculated.
I'm migraine right now too.
0. Let's see, let's do f of b first, which
You might
is
have like a seizure if you don't sleep, indeed. Especially if you have a headache. I have a face mat.
so let me calculate this big thing.
Eye mask?
So n is 2, so 2 minus 1 is actually just 1, right? So I'll just have to do f x1, right? Because n is 2, so 2 minus 1 will be 1. So from j1 to 1 means just 1. 125 0.912296493 plus 2 times. Good night. So x1 again, if you remember, xj is x of j was a plus jh. So x of 1 is a is 1 plus j is 1 times h. This time is 0.25, so which is 1.25. Let's see. 2 times 1 point, oh, f of 1.25. And so this is 0.125, 0.912296493 plus 2 times f of this is, f of x is x squared ln x. So x squared ln x. So this big thing comes out to be